Address personnel safety and security concerns. Human resources are the most important assets in the organization. In a disaster, personnel safety is the first concern. Personnel safety and security concerns are travel, emergency management, employee duress, and security training and awareness. Travel. When an employee has to travel for work, the organization has an obligation to ensure their safety. For example, the U.S. Department of State publishes travel advisories on its website for virtually any destination. Level 1, exercise normal precautions. Level 2, exercise increased caution. Level 3, reconsider travel. Level 4, do not travel. Level 1, exercise normal precautions is the lowest advisory level for safety and security risk. Level 2, exercise increased caution should be aware of heightened risks to safety and security. Level 3, reconsider travel should be avoid travel due to serious risks to safety and security. Level 4, do not travel is the highest advisory level due to greater likelihood of life-threatening risks. Emergency management. Organizations should have specific emergency management policies and procedures in place. A common tool for ensuring the safety of personnel during emergencies is the Occupant Emergency Plan, OEP. An Occupant Emergency Plan, OEP, provides coordinated procedures for minimizing loss of life or injury and protecting property damage in response to a physical threat. Duress. Duress is the use of threats or violence against someone in order to force them to do something they don't want to do or otherwise wouldn't do. Security training and awareness. Personnel should receive security training and awareness regularly.